Hi guys, I'm so excited today. I got my first ever squishy package. So the mailman came today about 2. So I didn't know if it was gonna come right at 2, so I waited till 2:20 to go out and check the mail. And sure enough, it was there. And the shipping was really quick. I ordered it on Friday, and it is now Tuesday. So 4 days. So yeah. It's really exciting. So I already cut open the package just so it takes not as long as amount of time. And then I took off the packaging of the squishy, because I know people don't like the sound of how it sounds when people squish squishies on when they have packaging. So yeah, here's the package. It's about as big as my this is a mini laptop screen. I'm not going to show you the front, this is the back. I'm not going to show you the front because I don't feel like covering the edges, so let's get started. So this first thing I'm so disappointed with. I didn't take it out of the little baggie because it lost the eye and the mouth, and it's not even squishy. Like, seriously? I ordered this toast and it was $2 for this. The eye came off. Oops, the eye came off and the mouth came off. And here's the eye. Here's the eye in the baggie. And the mouth it wasn't even in the baggie, so yeah, and look at it, it's not even squishy. It feels like a dried up sponge, like seriously. Yeah, I was really disappointed with that, but I'm sure it was just like a defect she didn't know it or something. But I'm not gonna trash talk her. I really recommend ordering from her. I'll tell you the website at the end. Oh, here's my invoice. Invoice. So I can't show you everything because like my name's on there and everything. So yeah, my invoice. Oh my gosh, I love these. Alright, so then the first thing I got beside this, I don't like this stuff. The first thing I got, good squishy that I got, is this mini mini face bun, and it is really squishy and really soft. And it does have a defect on it, like the eyebrow, like half of it came off, and that's it. But yeah, and it's so cool. It has like a rubber eye pin. Oh my gosh, rubber eye pin, and it has a lanyard, and it's really squishy. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Okay, next I got this squishy donut. This was a random face. I didn't get to pick the face, by the way. This was a random face, and this is a random donut. I didn't get to pick what donut I wanted. But I got this one, the green with rainbow sprinkles on it. I like it. Oh, this smells good. This smells good, even though I'm not happy with it. And these are only $1, and they smell like glue. I'm not too happy with the smell, but I'm happy with the donut itself. It's really squishy. And it's like Strappy World quality. Like, it has the glass. Yeah, it's really good quality, so I'd recommend getting that if you want a cheap donut. So yeah, oh, and the Bitten donuts are also $1 on her website, but I didn't get one. So then I got this. She has a lot of defective squishies or something because it's defected. It's a medium panda bun, and from the moment, like the first moment I saw squishies, I saw the panda buns, and they're the ones I've always wanted, so I got a medium one and a jumbo one. So this is a medium one, and it has a red bow, and as you can see, it's like cracking, the bow, the face, the ears, but I don't really care, because they're squishy. squishy. So yeah, that's the medium one. And these all came with itself with strap, but none of them are stretchy, by the way. They're black. So yeah. And then the last squishy I got is this jumbo panda one, which I'm in love with. Oh, I didn't get to pick the face for this either. It was random. And then this is the only one, and the last one that I got to pick the face on. So it's okay that you don't really get to pick the faces on it, but I don't know. I'm happy I got to pick the face for this. I got the boy jumbo bun, panda face bun, and look how big it is. Like, really? That is huge. Yeah, let me compare it to my face. See? Like, it covers my eyes. Like, no, not covers. I mean, like, it goes up to my eyes, from my chin to my eyes, and I have a big face, so that's so cool. And this is really squishy. Okay, and it's so big, look. So right now I'm going to compare it to a medium panda. That's a medium. And then I'm going to compare it to the petite toast. Then the small bun. And the donut. It's huge, right? So yeah, I was so excited. I ran out there and I saw the package peeking out from the mailbox. I'm like, Dad, it came! And I screamed and I was so excited because it's my first squishies ever. And I really love them. And they all smell good except for this one. It smells like glue. I don't know why. And I'm really, really, really unhappy with this one. But I'm really happy with this one. I definitely will be ordering more. All of these are for trade. So yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm so excited. I'm sorry I had to open it before. I just didn't want to hurt your guys' ears by the crackling sound, but I really, really am excited. So yeah, this is how I'll show you how big the package is been. So so the place I ordered from is called Pink Cupcakes. She's a really nice lady. She has really cheap prices and really cheap shipping. She lives in Texas, and I live in, can't tell you guys where I live. She lives in Texas, and I live about 6,000 miles away from her, and it was $3.41, and it came in 3 days, because she shipped it on Saturday, so it came in 3 days, which is really awesome. So yeah, I really, really, really recommend you guys ordering from her. She's so nice. She has such good quality stuff, except for I wouldn't recommend ordering these toasts because they're hard. They're not squishy really, and their face falls off. So yeah. So I'm really excited for my squishies. I hope that you guys want to trade with me or something. And yeah, so thank you for watching. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh. It smells like some kind of pastry / coconut.